Welcome back, dear students. In previous video we discussed about public deposit. Today we'll start the new topic, loan from financial institution. The state and central government have established many financial institutions to provide finance to companies. They are called developmental banks. These are IFCI, ICICI, IDBI, LIC and UTI, etc. Public financial institutions are referred to as lending institutions. Development banks or financial institutions. After independence, the government of India realized that for economic development of a country, only commercial banks are not sufficient. There must be financial institutions to provide financial assistance and guidance to industries and business enterprises. Here are the functions of financial institution. First is provide finance for buying shares. This institution provides capital for buying equity shares for the company's future benefit. Second, provide finance by giving loan. Financial institution provide long-term finance which is not provided by commercial banks. Help through direct payment for technical services. Financial institutions provide financial, managerial and technical advice to business firms. Fourth, provide guarantee. By becoming guarantor, they offer assurance to other financial institutions. This way, they offer indirect help to the companies to get finance. There are some other services like financial companies offer help to establishment of company, market research and also providing information of foreign markets. Now let's discuss some points regarding commercial banks. Commercial banks are regulated by Banking Regulation Act 1949. They accept the public deposit from the public for the purpose of lending or investment. Here are some functions of commercial bank. Acceptance of deposit and loan. Banks provide the loan only on the basis of the amount deposited by the public. Next function is cash credit. For meeting the requirements of business, industrial bank approves an amount of loan against the security of stocks and personal properties. Then approved amount is called as cash credit. Interest on such credit facility will be charged on the basis of amount utilized and time of utilization of fund. Overdraft. Overdraft offer the facility for withdrawal of more money than the balance in current account of the businessman. Under certain limitations is called overdraft. Trade credit. Business units have needs of raw material, finished goods or other tools and other things. In this situation, a business unit purchases from the producers or traders or on credit for some time period and create working capital. Thus, the creditors do not provide capital directly but by giving goods or services on credit, they satisfy the capital requirement. Internal corporate deposits. Usually when a company gives deposit to other company which is in need of fund, then such deposit is called as intercorporate deposit. Usually these types of transactions occur between a major company and a minor company. Also happens between various companies managed by one group. Rate of interest and time limit is decided by an agreement as compared with other sources. This borrowing is easy. Dear students, here we have completed the chapter. revise the chapter by referring the videos of the chapter 8. Also, you have to write the answers of the questions given in your textbook exercise. Thank you.